everyone! I'm Chef Luca, and today we're making crispy, golden, fried chicken. Let's start with our ingredients. Chicken, flour, buttermilk, and some tasty spices. We'll marinate the chicken for a few hours so it stays juicy and full of flavor. Now, let's make our seasoned flour. Here, this will give that perfect crunch. Fry until golden brown. Wow, just listen to that amazing sizzle. So crispy on the outside and tender inside. Delicious. Thanks for cooking with me, Chef Luca. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay positive.